Hi, my name is Pierre-Luc, and in this video, I'm going to show you how augmented reality combined with automatic alignment transform inspection into a smarter, more intuitive process with the EVO series. In most inspection projects, alignment is critical. With the new embedded camera enabling augmented reality, this feature really helps assist with alignment. The auto-align function is incredibly intuitive. Just match what you see on screen with the physical part and you will be aligned in seconds. Once the scan locks to the CAD model, it automatically turns green and the algorithms behind will remove unwanted data around the part, cleaning up your scan in real time. It keeps your focus where it matters. These features save time by reducing manual editing, speeding up finalization, and with alignment already in place, you're ready to inspect right away. And for those doing repetitive inspections, the report is generated automatically, ready to begin the next part immediately right from your scanner. Augmented reality also brings the color map to life, showing deviations from CAD model directly onto the physical part for instant visual feedback on your scanner. The combination of augmented reality and automatic alignment really helps to deliver a faster and more efficient inspection process.